Hello. Today we're going to talk about how the 7 main chakras affect your body. See, all of the main chakras affect the physical body so strongly because each chakra is connected to one of the body's ductless glands. When they are healthy and balanced, they help the gland to meter into the bloodstream the correct amount of hormone to keep the body balanced. But when they become blocked, they use the corresponding physical gland to malfunction, either putting too much or too little hormone into the bloodstream, creating an imbalance that all the other glands must try to compensate for. This is how illness develops. See, the root chakra. Many of us inadvertently block this center as we live our lives due to emotional issues, touching upon survival fears or sexual problems. Such blocks can result in health issues ranging from prostate and uterine problems to kidney, bladder, and bowel problems to lower backbone and nerve problems. The sacral center. Illnesses associated with this center or chakra can again involve the sexual organs and lower back, but also the pancreas, liver, and spleen. The solar plexus center. When the solar plexus chakra becomes blocked, it is usually due to emotional disappointments in love or interpersonal relationships and can lead to heart, stomach, liver, upper digestive tract, lung, or breathing problems. The heart chakra. When this chakra becomes blocked, it is usually an overflow from the blocked solar center chakra that causes the block. Since the two centers are so close together in the body and connect so closely at this point in mankind's development. And again, heart problems, lung problems, breathing problems, upper spinal, and shoulder ailments are the most common results. Throat chakra. A blocked throat chakra usually results from holding back the things you want and need to say. It can result in ear, throat, mouth, neck, and thyroid problems. Third eye chakra. When this chakra becomes blocked, it is usually through misuse from attempting to exert control psychically over another person. Blockages here result in head and eye problems. Crown center. If the crown chakra becomes blocked in life, it usually will do so because of over negativity in one's thinking. An almost deliberate shutdown. This tends to result in migraines and severe head and neck tension. See, that's why I keep saying, when you have an intensity in the body, you cannot just look at that intensity. You have to look at the whole picture because you don't know where the problem is. You need to get yourself to neutral. You need to balance your chakras and make sure you do the periodic maintenance on your body. Make sure all your chakras are balanced. And with that, have a great day.